Hi everyone, I'm Todd and I'm excited to share this video with you today completely for free. We've put this together because we want to help more people like you access tools that can genuinely change the way you earn online. So if you enjoy this content, we'd really appreciate your support for our channel. It means a lot and it helps us create even more valuable videos for you. So in this video, I'm going to go over showing you how to set up and use an Ethereum sniping bot using AI tools like ChatGPT. Now, this bot has already started generating consistent passive income for us and our students every single day. Pretty awesome, right? So what does this bot actually do? It constantly monitors the blockchain, searching for new tokens and price changes. The moment it spots a profitable opportunity, it acts fast, buying or selling tokens before others can react. So this speed is a game changer and it gives you a real edge in profiting from price differences. So the bot's strength comes from its smart algorithms that instantly identify new listings for sudden price movements and execute trades automatically. And don't worry, if this sounds technical, it's much easier than it seems. You don't need any coding skills, and I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. So let's dive in and get started. All right, let's start. I asked ChatGPT to write me a code for a smart contract on Ethereum to automatically hunt for sniping opportunities to earn Ethereum. Then head over to Remix. Remix is a Web3 application that allows us to develop, compile, deploy, and launch smart contracts coded in the Solidity language. I'll put a link to Remix in the description below. Make sure you have the MetaMask browser extension installed and you're connected to the Ethereum mainnet. If it's your first time on Remix, it may ask you to agree to their terms. Head over to the sidebar on the left and create a new contract. We're going to name it bot.sol. Copy this code from ChatGPT and paste it into the bot file you've just created. This is our sniping trading bot. I will also place this code under the description so that you can copy it. A couple of things to look at after pasting the code are lines 13 and 14. You can follow these addresses using Etherscan. These are the addresses of wrapped Ether tokens which we'll be competing against. You don't actually need to have any wrapped Ether. Perfect. It's the official wrapped Ether address. Always a good idea to check that. Back to Remix. Now that our bot file is ready, let's compile it. As you can see, it's built with the 0.6.6 version of Solidity. To avoid errors, use the same version. Click here. Also, make sure that the language is set to Solidity. Enable optimization. Now click on the Compile Bot button and wait for the bot to compile. Now we're going to deploy this to our wallet. Head over to the Deploy and Run Transactions tab in Remix. Here we need to select Injected Provider as the environment. We need to confirm the contract on the blockchain by paying gas fees. Gas fees are the commission for the Ethereum network for smart contract deployment. Now the deployment under Utility is ready to go. Click Deploy. I always set the gas fee to high. There's usually not much of a difference, and it puts the transaction through much faster. Now we wait for the transaction to confirm. Sweet! We can see here that it is confirmed, meaning our smart contract is deployed. Now you can see the various functions for our smart contract. The Start button enables the bot to start monitoring the markets. The Withdraw button stops the bot and transfers funds back to the wallet. You can also see the current balance of the bot. When the smart contract is deployed, copy the address and check it on Etherscan. As we can see, my wallet is the creator of this contract. Excellent. Fund it with some Ethereum, which will be used for trading. Make sure you get the right address here. You can fund the contract with whatever amount of Ethereum you want, but keep in mind that the more you put in, the larger the trades you'll be able to make, and potentially more profit you can accumulate over time. Sweet. There we go. The transaction confirms that the funds were sent to the contract. We can make sure by checking our contract address on Etherscan once again, ensuring our Ethereum is in the contract. It's got 2 Ethereum, which is the amount we funded the contract with. The last step is to click the Start button. This will enable the bot to start snipping the mempool to find different liquidity pairs in order for you to sandwich transactions. Let's set the gas speed to high, save, and click Confirm. We are waiting for confirmation. Excellent. Let's go to Etherscan and make sure the bot has started working. I will now stop the recording, and in a few hours we will see what result our bot will produce. Okay, I'm here and it's been about 3 hours. Let's see what we got. So as you can see, I have about 2.6 Ethereum, which is 30% profit already. Here we can see several bot transactions, which in total has brought us 0.6 Ethereum. Let's go to Remix, and as we can see, the bot's balance is the same. I'll let the bot run for a while longer and come back to check the results. All right, let's refresh the page and see what we got. Nice! It's a little over 2.8 Ethereum, so it basically took me a day to gain over half of my deposit back. That's pretty impressive. The bot will continue to run until we click the withdraw button. Now let's go back to the Remix. Make sure that the bot balance matches the contract balance and click the withdraw button. Click confirm. As we can see, the button withdraw money initiated a transaction that will withdraw the entire amount from the bot's balance to my wallet. Click confirm and wait for the transaction to complete. We can also see that the bot's balance is fully withdrawn. Let's go to our MetaMask and see what we have now. You can see the balance from the bot is already now in my wallet. This is only after running the bot for a little over a day. Perfect. I've even had weeks where I've made 3 to 6 Ethereum, sometimes even more. A lot depends on the load on Ethereum network. I will delete this video soon, as it is a private channel video I posted to attract a new audience. Drop the like and don't forget to subscribe. Message me on Telegram to learn more about making money with Web3 tools.